Alright guys, General STUFIDO here with General Stuff I Do. Okay, now in my previous videos you may have seen our first little chicken coop. Look at these guys. They're getting bigger. Bigger and bigger. Yeah. Beep, beep. I do chicken talk. Okay, so anyway, they're getting big. So, right? So I gotta start expanding, right? The little kitties are gonna go to college, right there. Yeah, right there. So we've caged this in. I meant this thing to be 10 by 10. I don't know what I was thinking. I went and bought 2 by 4 by 8. And so what we're doing, just doing scabbies. So you got a little scabby here, 12-inch scabby there. Built a little frame. Yeah, nothing special. It's not like, you know, I'm gonna have a friggin' permit for this thing. I kind of made it so that I could tear it apart really easy so I can expand some more. But we're going to throw some more chicken wire. I got two 3-foot sections of chicken wire. We're going to chicken wire this. I actually miscalculated when I was at the store. Got distracted. Some woman probably walked by me, you know, and I looked at her. Well, anyway. So we're going to now frame 2 walls here and over here. And I'm going to try to see if I can move this whole front this direction. And I ran out of 2x4s. Every time I get 2x4s, I think, okay, I'll get like 3 or 4 extra, right? And I always end up having to go to the store and buy some more. But anyway, we're going to move that whole front out so it'll be a solid wall and escape hatch here. We're going to get like an automatic door puller coming up. And anyway. So we have framed one of the walls, 2 of the walls, and they're opposite. And we're going to put a slope on it coming out this way. I'm going to put a big overhang on it so we don't get wet. And then we're going to put roofing material on it. Anyway, yeah, I didn't think to shoot this, but I guess I need to. So now we are cutting an exit door. I almost cut it out down here. But inside, we're going to elevate everything so that we can reach in and grab the eggs fairly easy. We're going to ramp this thing down. We'll show you in just a bit. Oh, yes, classic. Okay. Okay. All right, so we've now finished our operational door, and this is going to be good enough until we get our automatic door opener, which will be down the road. So we made this like 14, so it's an inch over on either side of a 12-inch hole. We put in 1x2s here, 32 inches. We put some OSB on top of that. Got a stopper here. In case maybe the string breaks, it'll just stop right there. Then we got a stop up here so we can feel it on the other end. So we're going to use string, which won't last long, but that's, you know, it's good enough for now. And it's got a guide eyelet. That's going to go up to this pulley system. So it's going to go up through here, wrap around this, and head out toward the house. So we can open it actually from inside the house. That's coming up. All right, we got the 2 side walls in, and the idea is we're going to move maybe a wall out here, put some plywood, OSB I should say, right here, put the roof on, and these little guys will have their door. We're going to put shelving right here. That's the door to get out. So I think it's going to be pretty secure. I want to use real tree branches so they can roost on that stuff. All right. Okay, so we're putting the face of this on. We're going to throw some rafters out here with 2-foot overhang so that we can access this without... Guys, we have to cut the door down. When we open it, it's going to hit the bottom of this rafter. All right, so all we do is move that door out here. Use a 3/12 pitch on this. But anyway, so yeah, we got 16 little guys in here. They're running around. Oh, look at you. Look at you. So we're going to put a ramp over there. And then we got to install an access door to get in here. So all that stuff is next. Yeah, they're loving it out here. I think they're fighting over a bug or something over there. Yeah, they're loving this. You loving this? We got our frame up for the door. We shingled the top there. Got a 2-foot overhang. We got a door installed here to access it. Got a little ramp there for the chicks to come up. And then we're about to put in some shelving in here so they can walk around. Alrighty. Okay guys, here we have it. We got our brand new 16-room house. Yes, enough to fit 16 personages in. And look at this. We got a brand new set of stairs here. Got another brand new set of stairs. We got a fenced-in yard. We have running water. Yes, look at that with the automatic waterer. And we got the feeder back there. And this is a place where they can hang out. We put in 2 small roosting bars there for now. We're going to put in maybe a couple of tree branches in here later on. But now it's a really nice place. So now it's time to chase them in here. Alrighty, it's going to get dark in just a little bit. Look at these guys. Hey guys, we should make this a little more secure. Raccoons could easily just do that. Look at these guys. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think about those guys? Let's see if I can fix that a little bit. There you go. Make it a little shorter. There you go. It's a little more tight. Alright, look at that. Alright, there you guys go. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button. Until next time.